Kaya I don't think that I'm made for it. Kasi masyadong intriga eh. Hindi ko kaya yung makipag-intriga sa mga, kasi yung una kong boss is French, tapos Amerikano, tapos ngayon Italian, tapos Amerikano. Masyadong magulo. So, maraming sip-sip, gano'n. So far, okay lang ako. So, kung ano pagawa nila, sige, gawin natin. So, parang I'm like a mercenary. Kung yung botos ng boss ko, yun ang gagawin ko. Anyway, I get paid, so that's the bottom line. So, ang aking routine is like this. Pagising ko sa umaga, papasok, tapos pag masyadong ginagawa, magsasurf, sa opisina, pag maraming ginagawa, hindi. Pero ang Facebook parang hindi allowed yata sa ABB kasi masyadong mabagal ang bandwidth. Nakalagay doon eh, this site, bandwidth for this site is capped. So, it will be very slow. So, hindi ako makapag-Facebook talaga. So, yun. Anyway, ano pa ba? Career-wise, kasi ako, I've been a consultant all my life. So, wala akong long-term work. Although I've been with ABB for 5 years now, nag-apply ako sa UN. I got shortlisted in an FAO job. I was excited about it kasi mabibase ako sa Rome. Kaya lang dalawa na lang kami, and they got somebody from South America because he speaks Spanish daw. So, hindi pa nakuha yun. Now, I'm shortlisted again in a job with UNDP in Bangkok. I don't know. I'm hoping I'll be moving to Bangkok and maybe I will welcome you there if ever. So let's see. Keep my feet